And I don't think there's any rules, so no disqualification as well. Oh, no. Oh, my God. A boobplex. Oh! Oh, wait a minute.
Dumb move.
She went for the low blow and hurt her own foot. He is the king of dong style after all. Are you kidding?
Brandy instinctively going for that junk. Bad move.
Oh, at the crossroads. That is a complete dig at Cody Rhodes. No, boy.
The pornplex has come to Orlando.
Oh, my goodness gracious, the power that this guy packs. Oh, my God. The pornplex for a count, a cover.
What resiliency. Joey Ryan has no idea what Swoggle just did.
Oh, my God.